Tip number 3. There are 3 things that are important in every single business. They absolutely need to be there. Leadership, management, and supervision. Leadership is the vision for the company. We're going to talk just a second about leadership. Management is someone that's going to help get the goals, achieve the goals of the company, using the resources of the company. And supervision is someone that's going to teach and train and look over the shoulder of the employee to make sure they do the job correctly. Now we're going to talk in this one, in number 3, about leadership. Leadership is vision, it's future. We need to get our employees excited about the vision of the company. What kind of a company are we? Where are we going? What can we do? Leaders are focused on the future, and it is their job to make sure that the company has a good vision and a good series of goals, because the vision, who we're going to be, will then dictate what we need to do to achieve that. Leaders also, in a sense, are cheerleaders. They're constantly going amongst the employees. They're pumping them up towards the goals and getting the employees invested in their future in a great company. Leaders have the vision of the great company. Leaders have the vision of success. Leaders share that vision with their employees.